In an emergency situation, it's important to have a well-stocked food supply to help sustain yourself and your loved ones. This video will provide insights on how to prepare an emergency food supply for any disaster. When preparing an emergency food supply, it's important to consider dietary restrictions, allergies, and personal preferences. You should also consider the nutritional value and the shelf life of each item. Non-perishable foods such as canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, and protein bars are great options for emergency food supplies. In addition to food, it's important to stock up on water. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. You may also need extra water for cooking and sanitation. Aside from food and water, you should also have essential items like a can opener, eating utensils, paper plates and towels, and a first aid kit. These items may seem small, but they can make a big difference in the long run. Having an emergency food supply is crucial in any disaster situation. Remember to consider dietary restrictions, nutritional value, and shelf life of each item, and stock up on essential items like water and first aid supplies. Don't wait until a disaster strikes to prepare. Start today and make sure you and your family are prepared.